At 470 pounds, from Kensington, New York, Paul Roma. His partner from New York City, Jim Powers. And their opponents, led towards the ring by their manager, Mr. Fuji, at a total combined weight of 567 pounds. Here are Demolition.
Axe and smash, Demolition. Well, I must say, I wouldn't want to meet either one of those two individuals in a dark alley. Big, strong, powerful men. And truly, the Mr. Fuji sort of mold.
Indeed they are. They're big, they're powerful, and they're mean, and that's the way Fuji likes them. He likes people that go in there and destroy, and that's what these two do.
Well, what would you expect, Mr. Fuji, to align himself with some pansies?
No, certainly not. But nonetheless, Fuji very proud of the, I believe, undefeated record of Demolition. Now, this is not the first time that... Uh-oh, look at that. Oh, my. Yeah. It's like those tongues have been dipped in blood. This is not the first time that Powers and Roma have faced Demolition. As a matter of fact, they asked for this return matchup, and we asked them why they asked for the return match.
Demolition, we knew you guys were rough, we knew you guys were tough, but we didn't expect you to bend the rules the way you did. This time when you get in the ring with Paul Roma and Jimmy Powers, we're not going to underestimate you the way we did last time. Tell him, Paul.
That's right, Demolition. We may not be able to beat you, but I'll tell you what, you're going to know that you've been in a battle with us.
I think the two of them would have been better off leaving things as they were.
Whoa, nice maneuver. Drop kick by Powers. Another drop kick. Yes. Aha! Now that's different than the first match they had. A whole lot different. A whole lot different.
Ladies and gentlemen, our wrestling fans in the Worcester area, pay attention because on the date of Monday, June 29th, another great WWF card is coming to the Centrum in Worcester. And signed to appear will be such great stars as George the Animal Steel, in addition to King Kong Bundy at the Centrum in Worcester on Monday, June 29th.
Down across the arm, Paul Roma. Well, listen, let's face it, if you're going to beat Demolition, you're going to have to pull out all the stops, Jesse. You're going to have to take chances. Chances maybe even of being disqualified.
Oh, I certainly would agree to that. I'm just talking about the competence of this Joey Morella, the referee.
Why are you on his case?
Because he plays favorites, you can tell.
I don't believe so. I haven't seen him playing favorites, unfortunately. Oh, my! Axe and smash, hammering away. Look at the look on Axe's face. Axe scooping up Power, slams him down. Oh, these guys are mean and rough.
Well, that's why Mr. Fuji likes him so well.
And big.
They seem to do what they're told and don't question him.
Each man around the 280-pound mark, I would think. Can they just lay him in?
And pretty smart tag wrestlers at that. You notice how they're keeping their opponent right in their corner, not letting him cross that midway point of the ring.
Axe scoops up. Powers slams him down to the canvas. And missing with a headbutt. Boy, did he nail himself there.
That was a saving maneuver by Jimmy Powers.
And the ring now. Paul Roma drop kick. Roma going to work on Axe, trying to set him up. Maneuvering in now and out to the buckle. Ooh, whoa. That may do it.
He got him.